Asian Land is now celebrating our 30th anniversary, and we witness the enduring success, longevity of the company.
This was all started by Itay Manding, 30 years ago, and the vision was very simple. The vision was to provide housing for mga Bulakeños, mga kababayan na Bulakeños. But as the company grew, natagtagan yung vision at saka yung mission. Okay, and this, yung natagtagan was to provide employment.
Happy 30th Anniversary Asian Land! Mabuhay!
Daming surprises that Asian Land has prepared, not only for its employees but also your families.
Happy 30th Anniversary Asian Land!
Alam kung na-process nyo ba kung how important, how big of a deal this is. 30 years. Not all companies are able to celebrate 30 years.
Nagpapasalamat po kami sa Asian Land Corporation para sa makabuluhang sports program dito sa Malolos. So, asahan niyo po na sa tulong ng pamahalaang panlungsod at partnership ng Asian Land, gagawa po tayo ng programa. I hope makapartner namin kayo na matagal para sa isang grassroots development lawn tennis program for Malolos City.
Thank you guys, and hope you guys continue supporting the tennis community because it really helped the Filipino and the young Filipino to have an interest for the tennis community. So thank you so much and happy 30th Anniversary Asian Land.
Ang dami nating achievements in the last 10 years. Okay, and yung achievements na yun, hindi naman yung magagawa if we didn't work hard together. Okay, yung work is together. So nagsama-sama tayo, we all agreed, okay, that we would help each other, okay, and help each other grow.
Palayan pa ho ang lahat-lahat na nandito. Sana po talaga kasama niyo ho kami. Mangarap ho kami kung paano niyo ho pinapaganda yung buhay ng bawat isang naninirahan sa inyo. Pagpalain po kayo ng Panginoon. Mabuhay ang Asian Land! Mabuhay ang Asian Land!
happy 30th anniversary to Asianland. Wishing you guys more success, and of course, God bless you and your whole company.
We'd like to thank you all from the bottom of our hearts for your very valued and very important contribution to the company. Maraming salamat. Good afternoon. Let's all have fun!